Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Atlantic County Fishing. In this fishing session, I went to one of the parks in South Jersey when we saw night crawlers to see what I will get. I'm using a G head 1 over 64 ounce. I just put a little piece of night crawler. I usually try a big bait first to see if I will get a bass or any big fish, but seems like the bluegill just wanted to bite. So I took a chance to this was the fish that opened my fishing session really that weekend. I'm talking about last weekend, and it was a good start. I wanted to see what I will get. At this point of the fishing session, I decided on walking a little more, casting with the nightcrawler. The G head is still 1 over 64. Um, I tried the nightcrawler to see what other fish I will get. Maybe I will get some bass under these lily pads. So I just cast really probably like 5 minutes. I usually just cast really quickly. First I got a bluegill. Um, I don't think it's the same bluegill as I got earlier. After fishing this bluegill, I keep trying my night crawlers. I got another bluegill, and I was trying to cast a little more and more, so I could possibly maybe get more and other bluegills. Other bass. So it could possibly like turn out to be a really nice big fish at this session, but apparently there were not many bass in this area. I didn't end up getting any bass during the weekend. However, I got some other fish that are the size of a medium bass, but but you guys will see these fish later. I usually go in order. I try presenting every single fish that I get without skipping anything. So um, so yeah, this I release this fish. At this point, I think I decided on trying the other side of the bridge that looks like a house really. Um, on the other side with the lily pads to see if I will get another fish. Um, there were fish biting. Most of them were blue gills. So I'm sorry. I think I might have mentioned bluefish at some point, but no, I'm talking about bluegills. So so I get another bluegills. I think hopefully soon with the nightcrawler still. They were biting. It was pretty fun to get them. You see, like I kind of lost two of them because sometimes when they bite it's like very slightly, so you decide on just pulling a little bit so they will get caught, but they were not really getting caught because I guess they were too small, or maybe they are they for some reason they find always a way to get out before, because I guess they move a lot. So because they are very small, it's kind of hard for the for the hook to get inserted in the mouth. So I got another bluegill, um, and I think I get another one later on during the weekend, but I don't know if I get another one after this in this area. I was keep walking through this path that around the lake, around this main lake that this bar has, and I got another bite really quickly. I got another bluegill, with a night crawler still. I think I was still using the same night crawler. So so it was I like when this happens because sometimes the fish bite and then they take your bait and stuff. So it was kind of nice to just use the same worm. It's still a bluegill. Um, they were biting a lot this day. It was fun. However, I was expecting to get another bigger fish, and you will see probably nets. I wanted to show this video because I was trying to cast here to get some bass. There were a lot of top water bites, but I couldn't get anything. However, I wanted to keep it here. Finally, after trying the nightcrawler in different places, I suddenly put this in this not that deep part of the lake, and look, I got a big 14-inch pickerel. It came out of a sudden. I was pretty excited and happy.
Oh my god. Yes! Yes. I mean, let's see. £1, huh? 13 inches. Bluegill over here. Okay. There we go. Alright guys. Oh. Look at that. Nice. Hold on. 1 pound. 13 inches, huh? Release it. Nice.
Thank you for watching. I got a pickerel, like I would say bluegills too, a catfish by bottom fishing. The night crawlers are very useful. So it has been a good weekend for me. It has been a very nice Birch Grove Park weekend, and I had a lot of fun. I cannot stay more time because I'm pretty tired, but it was worth it for a good video. So I don't know which lake I'm gonna go or saltwater in the next weekend, but stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See ya.